AT, aka the Soul Snatcher.
Poisonous flowers. Hi.
I didn't wash my hands either. And I touched the door handle.
I have hepatitis.
Real niggas do not deserve